Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to understand about the method of communication in terms of JMS. The method of communication in JMS is both supports both synchronized and asynchronous communication. Synchronized communication means like a voice chat or a video chat or video call or whatever, wherein which you are on a voice call and you say hi and then you want to hear a response, either hi or hello, how are you, something like that. You need a response. So that is called asynchronous communication. Asynchronous communication is possible using JMS. So that's something which JMS uses. What is asynchronous communication? Asynchronous communication is like a mail which you send out. So you kind of send out an email and you don't expect an immediate response unless and until that person is available on the laptop or their phone, or they're used to responding very quickly. So unless and until that, that is a circumstance, you cannot expect any kind of immediate response from them. So that's also possible. So a message will be sent out, and whenever that person is online, he will receive that message and he will be actually able to reply whenever it's possible for him. So that kind of communication is also available in JMS. All right, so this is what I wanted to talk to you quickly on this video. On the next video, we will see more hands-on towards JMS.